Welcome to the world of smart money management in 2024. Ever wondered how to simplify your financial life? The answer lies in your pocket. Yes, that's right, your smartphone. In today's fast-paced world, personal finance apps and tools are becoming essential for keeping track of our money matters. They're like having a personal financial advisor who's available 24/7, helping you budget, track expenses, remind you of bills, and even monitor your investments. In this video, we're going to delve into the benefits of using these apps and tools, the top players in the market in 2024, and some tips on how to choose the one that fits your needs best. We'll also share some pro tips on maximizing the benefits of these apps and tools. So buckle up and get ready for a financial journey that promises to make your money management simpler and more efficient. Stay tuned as we unravel the best personal finance apps and tools for 2024. So what's the buzz about personal finance apps and tools? Let's dive right in. Imagine having a personal finance manager right in your pocket. These digital tools are just that. They effortlessly help streamline your money management, saving you time and allowing you to focus on the more important things in life. Think about it. No more scrambling through a pile of receipts or manually tracking every penny spent. With expense tracking features available in these apps, you can keep a tab on your expenses with just a few taps on your mobile screen. It's like having a digital diary of your spending habits, and it doesn't stop there. These apps also come with budgeting features that help you plan your finances better. You can allocate funds for different categories like groceries, rent, dining out, and more. This way you can keep your spending in check and avoid any nasty surprises at the end of the month. But what about the bills that sneak up on you? Well, most personal finance apps also include bill reminders. You can set alerts for upcoming bills, so you never miss a payment. This not only saves you from late fees, but also helps maintain a healthy credit score. Now, let's talk about investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, keeping track of your investments can be daunting, but with investment monitoring features, these apps make it easier for you to keep an eye on your portfolio. You can track your investment growth, check the performance of individual assets, and make informed decisions. To sum it up, personal finance apps and tools act as your financial compass. They guide you, help you stay organized, and make your financial life less complicated. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, planning for retirement, or just want to get a handle on your day-to-day expenses, these tools can be your trusted allies. These tools are your trusted allies in achieving your financial goals. Now to the exciting part, the top personal finance apps and tools for 2024 you should know about. But first up, we have Budget Master Pro, a budgeting app designed to help you take control of your financial life. It's like a personal finance coach right in your pocket. With features like expense tracking, bill reminders, and budget planning, it's a one-stop shop for managing your personal finances. And the best part, it's free for basic usage, with a premium version available for a small monthly fee, offering advanced features like personalized financial advice and investment tracking. Next, we have Investees, an investment platform that makes investing as easy as ordering takeout. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, Investees offers a range of features to fit your needs. It provides a clear overview of your investments, real-time market updates, and personalized investment advice. The platform uses a subscription model with pricing tiers based on the amount of money you're investing. For those looking to save, Piggy Bank Plus is a must-try. This app encourages users to save money by gamifying the process. You set a savings goal, and the app helps you reach it by setting aside small amounts of money regularly. It's like a digital piggy bank that grows with every deposit. Piggy Bank Plus is free to use, but they offer a premium version with additional features like automatic transfers and priority customer support. On the debt management front, Debt Destroyer is a game changer. This app helps you create a personalized plan to pay off your debts faster. It provides a clear overview of all your debts, suggests repayment strategies, and tracks your progress. It's a paid app, but considering the potential savings from paying off your debts sooner, it's an investment worth making. Finally, we have Finance Companion, a comprehensive financial management tool. It combines budgeting, investment tracking, savings goals, and debt management into one easy-to-use platform. It's perfect for those who want to manage all aspects of their finances in one place. Finance Companion operates on a freemium model. The basic version is free, while the premium version offers advanced features for a monthly fee. Each of these apps serves a unique purpose and caters to a different audience. Budgetmaster Pro is ideal for those who want a simple tool to manage their daily finances. Investease is designed for investors of all levels. Piggy Bank Plus appeals to savers who want a fun and interactive way to reach their savings goals. Debt Destroyer is perfect for those struggling with debt and looking for a clear path to financial freedom. And Finance Companion is a comprehensive solution for those who want to manage all their finances in one place. Remember, the right tool for you depends on your personal financial goals and needs. With so many options, how do you choose the right one for you? Here are some tips. The world of personal finance apps and tools is vast. Before you dive in, it's important to identify your financial goals and preferences. Are you looking to budget better, save for a dream vacation, pay off your student loans? Once you have a clear idea of what you're aiming for, you can start looking for a tool that aligns with your objectives. One of the key factors to consider is the ease of use. You'd want an app that's intuitive and user-friendly. After all, the goal is to simplify your financial management, not complicate it. Also, consider the security of the app. Your financial information is sensitive and you want to ensure it's in safe hands. Look for apps that use encryption and have strong security protocols in place. Next, let's talk about cost. While there are many free apps available, some of the more robust tools might come with a price tag. It's important to consider whether the benefits outweigh the costs. Are you getting value for your money? Is it helping you save or make more than you're paying for it? Integration with other financial accounts is another crucial factor. The more seamlessly an app can sync with your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments, the more accurate and comprehensive your financial picture will be. This can help you make better, more informed decisions. And finally, don't be afraid to test the waters. Many of these apps offer free trials. Use this opportunity to see if the app matches your expectations and fits your lifestyle. Remember, the best app for you is the one that you'll consistently use and that helps you achieve your financial goals. Don't rush, take your time to try out different apps and find the one that fits you best. Now that you have your tool, how can you make the most of it? Here are some tips. Firstly, to maximize the benefits of your personal finance app or tool, it's crucial to keep your account information up to date. These apps are designed to give you a real-time snapshot of your financial health, but they can only do so if they have the correct data. So, if you've just made a significant purchase or received a paycheck, make sure to update your app accordingly. Next, set realistic financial goals. Whether you're aiming to pay off a credit card, save for a vacation, or invest for retirement, having a clear, achievable objective in mind can help you stay motivated and track your progress. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial stability. It's better to start with small, manageable goals and gradually work your way up. Now let's talk about monitoring your progress. It's one thing to set a goal, but another entirely to stick to it. Regularly checking in on your financial goals can help ensure you're on track and make adjustments as needed. Many personal finance apps have built-in tracking features that can provide visual representations of your progress, which can be incredibly satisfying and motivating. Moreover, don't be afraid to use the insights gained from these tools to make informed financial decisions. These apps can provide valuable data about your spending habits, savings trends, and investment performance. By analyzing this information, you can identify areas where you could cut back, opportunities to save more, and investments that are performing well. And lastly, remember to keep security in mind. While these apps are generally safe, it's always a good idea to regularly change your passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi networks. Remember, these tools are there to help you. Use them wisely. So there you have it, the best personal finance apps and tools for 2024. We've dived deep into the world of finance apps, exploring their benefits, from time-saving features to their ability to help you make better financial decisions. We've looked at the top contenders in the market, each with their unique features, pricing, and target audience. We've walked you through the process of selecting the right app for your individual needs, considering factors like security, cost, and ease of use. Lastly, we've shared tips on how to maximize the benefits of these tools, from regularly updating account information to setting realistic goals. Remember, these apps are not just about tracking your expenses, they're about gaining insights to make informed financial decisions. So start simplifying your money management today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment about your favorite finance tools. Until next time, stay financially savvy.